What's up everybody, welcome back to Make It Kustom. I'm Carl Fisher and this week's video is going to be a little bit different. We've got a couple things going on in the shop that has made it so I'm not working on the Roadster right at this second. I'm going to get onto that grill like ASAP. I really want to work on that actually. But we got hooked up with FastCut CNC. They helped us get a new table and so we went and picked that up, Elio and I. Elio also has one of these machines. That's kind of like what he does as part of his business is do CNC cutting. So now I've got the same table here. And so yeah, we're gonna go through that in this video, as well as we had a shop night. We kind of moved a bunch of stuff around. We got the van out of here. Everybody's asking where the Cadillac is. It's in the garage attached to the house. That's where the 64 Impala is, the Cadillac, and now the van. Trying to make some room in here so that we have a little bit more space to do work and kind of move things forward. So thanks a lot for watching everybody. Don't forget to like, click subscribe, hit notifications, and let's get into this video. Should be fun. All right, let's do it. We are on our way to FastCut. It is a crispy morning in Kamloops. I'm here with Elio, and we are upgrading the CNC plasma with a FastCut Elite system. We're gonna go see Russ today. I think we're supposed to be at his place around 9 for a little bit of training. Go check out our new table. Glad to be part of the team, boys. Let's go do it.
It's like quite a bit up the road.
Your destination is on the left.
I think we went too far.
It's right here. We're here. FastCut. What? Hey, Charlie, Carl.
What up, homie? How's it going, man? How are you?
Sorry for early.
Good to see you, man.
Right on. Nice to meet you.
Hey, Elio, what's up? I put that on Tammy's board as a joke because I thought she might not like it, but she actually liked it a lot.
Oh, it's my favorite. It's my absolute favorite.
Just a good head nod. Just
Learning lots.
Thanks so much, Russ. I appreciate
pleasure, buddy.
everything today, man. It was awesome. I learned tons, got the new machine. Happy to be part of the team, man.
It's great having you here, bro.
Thanks a lot, Russ.
It's gonna be good.
Long drive home. Let's go, Elio.
Whoa.
Get her done, Dan. That's right.
Wow. You gotta roll back in there, I'm assuming when you're done.
Yeah, we'll jam it in the corner and stick it back in there. What are you guys been up to today? Is that your new car? Whose car is that?
Oh, we just went to Martin's and picked up some of my storage.
Oh yeah.
I got my shop set up at my son's house up to West Mountain.
Oh, do you?
He built a big new shop and his dad one day.
Oh, right on. Good
And then
man.
Angie says, "You can park as many cars as you want here, Grandpa Lloyd."
Oh God. The magic words.
We're going to be going on 14 when we're done.
Oh, that's excellent.
Hey, Roscoe, buddy, what you doing? Hey, you making noise? That's a good boy.
Yeah, please do, man. The shop's yours. Get in there.
Yeah, he's just thrilled to death.
Right on.
I gotta go look at that truck.
Yeah, I'll come out there with you. What's up, boy?
Hola.
We are back working on the installation of the FastCut CNC. I was out for a few days, actually got sick for the first time in years, which is crazy. But we were back at it. We just went to our buddy's place. He had this used vent. So we found a vent that's gonna work for us for the outside of the building. Right now, actually let's just go show them what where we've got it. So while I was sick, I was just kind of like zap strapping things and routing wires and stuff, doing, you know, dumb menial tasks. So I got the wiring all from the workstation put to the power bars. Everything's kind of hooked up. We got this big barrel fan in here. That's kind of what we're working on right now. Cut a big hole in the wall. So that piece that I'm about to cut is to put on the outside of the building that will sleeve inside of here. I might have to shrink it a little bit so that it slips inside because I don't have one of those fancy crinkle tools. But for the most part, the area is done. We've got our air hooked up. They supplied this nice little air dryer. Got our power hooked up. Got our 85, our Hypertherm 85 sink machine in, and here it is. So hoping to get it fired up today. We are gonna, yeah, it should be good. We're gonna try and cut some stuff today that actually matters for things. So it's gonna be an exciting day. Let's keep going. So got our vent all dialed in. Elio's just powering this thing up. Put up some, we put some sealant in there. Oh, look at that. Moment of truth. Okay, so this is like right out of the box, okay? We didn't do anything. Stuff needs settings to, you know, be dialed in and stuff, but man, like, that's pretty dialed. It's pretty dang good right out of the box. Like, there's not even dross on that. Like, there's a tiny bit. That's the bottom edge.
Yeah.
Look at the bottom edge. How clean that is. Tight. Tight. Yeah. Thanks for your help, bud. Honestly, without Elio here, like, this would take so long. He's been through it so many times. He's got the exact same machine. He's moved it a bunch of times, and he's been working it for like 3 years. So on top of that, Christian Sosa, he also has one. So we're all FastCut. Team FastCut.
Team FastCut.
It's Friday.
It's Friday. It's Friday.
Bad Chad reference. Love it. Friday. What's up, Dan?
Nothing much.
What are you working on?
Working on 34 Ford suspension parts and a bolt list.
I'm getting a bolt list together for your chassis, which is in the corner way back there behind the van. Andrew's here tonight. What's up, Andrew?
Hey, man.
We are working on his seats for his lowrider a little bit. So these are not boat seats, are they?
Those are
Kitchen seats. Okay, these are kitchen seats, but these are to try and get like an idea of like the lowrider style seat that he's gonna make. So he's gonna make one that's a little bit taller. You got your phone?
No.
You sent me that picture. This is our Friday night tonight. See these seats? We're gonna make.
These are old school lifestyle car club seats.
Lifestyle car club seats. So we're gonna make that kind of thing tonight as well. He's a master upholsterer, him and Crystal.
Sure.
They do crazy cool cars. So we're gonna make seats tonight. We're gonna get Dan's frame out for the hot rod, and then what else is happening tonight? Elio's doing something tonight too. Elio's coming by. He's gonna start fitting a chopper motor into his frame. Okay, let's get to work, boys. Marble shag. It was free and it stinks, but it's cool.
You think so? Yeah, okay. That's
the weight of the van on
what are we gonna do then?
You got a shackle?
Yeah,
Like a harness.
Just a big shackle.
Okay, I guarantee that like this may not pull it,
Yeah.
but it will be able to produce more power than I am able to produce.
Okay. So what we'll do is we'll CGI us out and we'll push from behind.
What's that?
You can just CGI us out. Great. We'll just push from behind so it looks like you're pulling it.
Okay, perfect. I think once it's actually rolling though, like it might actually do it. Oh, you know what?
There's no gas.
It doesn't have a spark plug in it. I stole the spark plug.
You sold it?
Where's the red one?
No, I stole.
Oh!
Okay.
Let it warm up.
That's funny. Anyways, can we look on Marketplace, Dad?
Hey, it's doing it! Turn it, turn it! Oh, we're doing it!
Oh, you drink that, bud.
Well, Friday night shop night. Everybody comes out, they all end up helping me.
Ride mini bikes.
Okay, let's get to work. We're gonna get your frame out now. get some seats
That you want first.
built. Shelf stuff. Ah, we'll do that later.
Well, then you can't push the zipper back.
What's up, buddy?
Whatever it is that connects to Perimeter Highway.
Yeah.
My dad shops along that.
What's up, Can you guys just like give a little bit of a pressure up on that as I roll it? Like try and like support it right in the middle. Yeah.
Oh, my beard out.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna back it up just for a second. Okay, like pull up on it pretty good.
This end that needs it more?
Whoa, you guys are pulling maybe too much.
Okay, we get too aggressive with it. Because it rolls over quite easily.
But also, in the hustle and bustle, we must draw a little bit of attention to my homie Dan and his hot rod project. I gotta give you guys a quick backstory on this, okay? This is the beginnings of a 1934 Ford pickup hot rod that my friend Dan has been talking about building, collecting ideas for, planning to build, you know, kind of collecting parts and all this for many years. This is like kind of his dream truck. So, you know, a while ago we stuck this frame together. He welded up all these, you know, for like custom designed frame horns, and we made this basic frame. We've been, you know, picking away at it. He comes out on shop nights, which is usually Fridays. And, you know, like one time we made some brackets for his 4-link, and another time we did a bit of stuff on the chassis. And anyway, I'm really excited that this is happening. He's working on it. So now that we moved the van out of here, this frame was actually stacked, stored up in the back area there. So now he's got enough parts that we can kind of start cutting out pieces and fitting the things together. Like he got a transmission the other day. He has his engine. He's got, you know, most of the stuff to do his front suspension. I think we're gonna change the axle to a like a dropped Super Bell axle, hopefully. There's a swap meet this weekend, so I've been pulling some parts down from here and loading them up in my truck as well. These are all things going on in the shop at the moment. This is our just like small local swap meet, but is my favorite swap meet. I don't know why. It's the Haney Golden Ears swap meet, spring swap meet. So I'm bringing a bunch of junk from the shelves. And anyway, yeah, that was last night. Just awesome getting to work with Dan, and he always comes and helps out at the shop. And now we get to stick together his 34 Fords. So exciting. All right, so did a couple of cuts with this machine, and yeah, love how those little seats turned out for Andrew. That was fun doing shop night and getting those done. He's got this really cool lowrider called Heartbreaker, and it is just wicked. And he's doing like that super plush, coffin pleated, button tuft, overstuffed lowrider cool interior, which I also kind of want to do one day on the 64 Impala. But yeah, so moved him a little bit along, got to try out the new table. Just what an awesome week. I mean, I've been sick, but I mean, what a week to be sick, you know? It was awesome. So thanks a lot for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, click subscribe, hit notifications. If you want to be part of the custom crew, then $5 a month, you get a little badge by your name, 15% off the merch store. Helps everybody out. It's awesome. And then, yeah, I guess to everybody that is taking the class in Australia, I know that a lot of you, if not all of you, came from here, from YouTube, and I want to say I'm really excited to meet you guys, and we're going to have so much fun building bomber seats together, learning about metal shaping in Motor Retro's shop, and also the class coming up in 2 weeks in Vegas. Yeah, stoked to see you guys. I know that we've filled up the class already, so it's gonna be another good one. So also to the guys that are going to that class, a little birdie told me that Rick from American Restoration is also going to be attending that class. So that's going to be really cool. And anyway, it's going to be a really fun time. So we'll see everybody down there. Thanks a lot, everybody. Have a great week. We'll see you next time.